Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, taking off the couch clothes because I'ma wash them. Alright, so all of them there, I go wash. First, I'ma wash out the couch clothes then, and then I'm gonna pin them out. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to worry, say, alright, the rain I go fall, I'm just wash it. The rain don't fall for the day and also for the night. I'm sure that means a weather woman. Should be turn over. Blanket watch, couch clothes watch, and looking fabulous. Hello. And download this. I'm gonna put it in the put it over the bowl to trap the hair. Oh, the chutney I give a quick wash. Shampoo. The shampoo smells nice. Check the shampoo smell nice. I check me just like it's a quick wash. And when you pull up in the gym, and rocking your body, and I'm like, uh, uh. Ito na tagal na may iya ko. Oh. Got the match up. Ooh. That's right now, what's open the slit here, Mina. The green light still upon it, that means it's still at work. Ooh. Conditioner. What is the shampoo raw? My conditioner.
I pull up in the ladder, me out of Benz and a Prada, yeah. Couple brand new others, all of them full, it don't matter, no. 0 to 102, then you saw me flex on you. All up in my section, I step on you. Then I get a text come through, so I show you what my legs can do. Sweet melody, wind up your body for me. You love it, baby, girl, you know me need it. Let me fight for it, me achieve it. Sweet melody, wind up your body for me. You love it, baby, girl, you know me need it. Let me fight for it, me achieve it. I pull up to the party, yeah, I know. Wind up your body for me. Pull up and not around me, yeah, baby, need it. Fight for it, me achieve it. I pull up in the Audi, yeah, I know. Wind up your body for me. Pull up and not around me, yeah, I know. Fight for it, me achieve it.
I've been having a lot of big feelings recently. Just like, having me feelings as a child. Like, feel a bit confused. And I feel like I don't really know what to do.
Tell me, do you
And this is all of the ear catch on the something. All of the ear. All of the ear them catch on it. Chat me a blue jay in the ear. And then give me 3. Hello. All done. Looking fabulous. Says me, I'm the only young person using Vicks. Other young people use Vicks like me. And there's a man who sit down to and sell it for $100. I say, alright, I go buy one. So more a while when I'm ready, I just rub it on my chest. And I really much communicate in the chat, as you can see. Alright, so I just rub on and inhale some. Vapor rub relieves sick cough and cold symptoms. Pocket pack. My nana cold, nor symptoms of cold. or cough, but I just like to use it